It's Happy Valentine's Day. We've got 3 things happening today. First, we've got a lovely Valentine's Day breakfast that Cami has prepared.
She's super nice.
It's super cool.
And we have donuts.
And next, we've got a potential ice storm coming for us here.
Where?
The whole like South, Mississippi, Alabama, Tennessee, Arkansas, Texas are under this unprecedented ice storm I've never seen while living up here. So it's unprecedented for me at least. That's coming through today. I don't know what that's going to hold, but we'll see. And then lastly,
and I've seen her in the video before. Yeah.
Cami got me this for Christmas. This Family Adventure Challenge. We haven't been able to do one yet, but we're gonna do one. We're gonna do one today, and we're gonna do an inside one because we're all stuck inside because it's freezing outside. But we're gonna bring the vlog along with us. So we hope you enjoy.
These that our mom friend made us.
Give us a tour, Sayla. What's this?
So these are the donuts that Mommy made us this morning, and
Homemade donuts. How are they made?
Cinnamon sugar.
They're for our biscuits. Yeah, cinnamon sugar.
This is Daddy's plate with a cookie that says "Be Mine" and a heart plate, and then Reese's, and then a balloon, a balloon. And these are the treats and stuff that our mom gave us. We have like sock monkeys, and we have Reese's.
And then what is this?
Pancakes and
pancakes. Homemade Pop-Tarts.
Oh yeah.
Strawberry and brown cinnamon sugar and homemade
whipped cream. And then
everybody gets a cookie.
Then we get a balloon. Mine says Happy Valentine's Day, and Gracie got a unicorn one, and then Judy got
a dog one for the
doggy.
And then we got bacon, and then we got strawberries, and then
what did you help me with, Sayla?
The heart pancakes. These are the heart pancakes that I shaped out.
You did that?
Yep, she shaped them out.
And this is the cookie that I got. This is the cookie that they made.
So nice cookies. Alright, everything is super good. As we mentioned, I've already eaten most of it. We've got homemade Pop-Tarts. This is a cinnamon brown sugar. And we've got homemade donuts. Now, the remarkable thing about anything that we have, and look at this. This is
super fast.
This is turkey bacon. Turkey bacon doesn't normally look like that. The remarkable thing about all of this stuff is that our oven broke last week. The element popped in it, and it took us forever to order one. So we haven't got the new element in yet. So all of this was made with an air fryer. Just super cool. These donuts, the bacon, the Pop-Tarts, everything was made.
If we didn't have an air fryer, then we wouldn't have much food.
We wouldn't be able to bake anything for sure. If you're interested, I'll get the recipes from Cami and put them in the description below.
Hello, monkey. Chocolate so sweet to. Why is the chocolate so nice?
See your monkey, Judah.
Look.
What's your monkey's name?
Monkey. Why was the chocolate so nice to the other chocolate? Because it was so sweet.
Yeah. Delicious breakfast, but now it's time to clean up. Well, it's Monday. All day went by yesterday, and it was just really cold. We never got any of the winter weather they talked about getting yesterday, so it's here today. Check it out. The snow and ice are finally here. We're watching our vlog that we just posted today. What is that, Judah? Ice and what? Ice and what?
Daddy, watching Toilet Faces walk. Mommy, I'm watching Toilet Faces walk. Oh my. Guys, look at that. Look at that. I don't know how the birds are not cold.
The birds are enjoying. Look at our driveway.
Oh my.
Alright, it's playtime in the snow.
Come here, Seth.
Or ice, really. It's not really snow.
Daddy.
Get mommy.
No, get Daddy. There you go, Judah. Get him.
It's just a sloppy mess. I'm okay. Yeah. A tree fell out there. No. Out there. I got it on camera.
You did?
Yeah.
Whoa, Polly.
That was crazy.
That was in the backyard.
Alright,
What's happening?
it's late at night, but we just looked outside. And it's actually snowing, not just ice right now. And it's super pretty.
Go outside.
Yeah.
Your feet are gonna get so cold.
Feet to get cold?
Yeah, go.
No.
Don't let your blanket hit the ground. Back inside, it's so pretty, so pretty. We're so not used to snow, but it's cool. I'm going to bed. It's time to go to bed. Tomorrow is a work day. I'm one of those people that work remote already, so even on snow days I have to work. But the kids are at home tomorrow, so we'll see how much work I get done tomorrow. We still haven't done our adventure. And we're gonna do the adventure before we close this vlog out. So we're gonna try to do it tomorrow. So next time you see me, it will be Tuesday. All right. Well, it's Tuesday morning, and it's still snowing. Although it's pretty much just ice by now. It's like super hard, but it is still snowing. Still some minor flurries. Better be careful. Good.
What's that?
That's as good as you can get. Alright, let's go inside. It's foggy now because it's warm in here. I know you can't see me, but there you go. It's weird. That was super cool. I don't think we've ever seen snow like that here. It's usually just kind of like a sleet mix, But that was real snow. You can see the flakes and stuff. It's so pretty. So exciting. Judah absolutely loves it.
You love that snow?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's Tuesday afternoon, and we're about to finally do our adventure. The one that I showed at the front of the vlog in the little book. And this is the one we're going to do.
We're going to do this one, and you have to get a penny and scratch it out.
So this one is for, all you need is a camera and at home. It's free. You can do it anytime, and it takes about an hour. So
tell them how you really film.
Yeah. So some of these other ones require being outside or require supplies and things like that. So we just have to do with what we have. So
this one has a house, a car, and a camera.
Yeah, you have to drive with that one, and we can't drive right now. So.
Are you ready to scratch?
Yeah.
Scratch away. All right, we're scratching it off to see what the adventure actually is. So this one is titled Unbreakable Bonds, and it's the actual title of the adventure is called Tell Them How You Really Film. And you use a camera, and it takes place indoors because it's really cold outside.
They didn't know it was going to be really cold outside.
There we go.
Whoops.
Takes a lot of scratching.
Put the names of extended family members into a hat. Members that aren't with you right now. Everyone has to draw out a name and make a video or handwritten letter to send to that family member. Oh, I like this. In your message to them, share something you appreciate or miss about them. Also add in something funny like a dance or a funny poem. Make sure that as a family, you do at least one video together where you perform a dance or song together to make your relative laugh. I love it. All right, so
We should make Judah do.
yeah, fun. All right, so we need to get some paper and a hat, and we need to write down everybody's name.
Why do we need a hat? Mommy.
All right, that's good. Lily. Okay, we have our names in a hat. Do you want to draw first?
Close my eyes.
It doesn't matter. Just reach in and grab one. Do you want to? Okay. Who do you get?
Lily.
Lily. Sissy. Pops. Piece of paper.
You almost said shut up.
Wow. Read it. No, take it out. Open it up. Derek. All right, pick one. Let's open it up. Let's see who's on there. Nia. Woohoo. All right. I love you.
I mean, baby, she's.
All right. Well, just took our photo to prove we did it. We wrote 5 letters. And we did 1 video. Should I do it like this, Sean?
Yeah.
So, our first challenge is officially done. Gonna put the date on it.
Alright, that's the end of our vlog. We did Valentine's Day, and then we showed the snow and the ice, and then we did our family adventure challenge. And super fun, a super fun weekend. These are great memories, and I hope you enjoyed watching them too. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.